Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, we are here at Crema. We're here at Crema, guys. So the location for the Call Me By Your Name movie. Guys, we're officially here at Crema! Oh my God!
So, as a traveler, guys, this is so new. This is so new.
Yeah, this is so new. Because hinahanap namin si Oliver at si Elio. Sabi dito daw sila nag-shoot eh.
Dito daw sila nag-shoot. Pero kung hindi namin sila mahanap, kami ang mag-shoot.
Yes. So, i-explore muna namin ang city ng Crema, guys, before kami pupunta yung mga magagandang yung sinushoot ng Call Me By Your Name. Call me by your name and I call you by mine. Si Oliver tsaka si Elia.
And everything in between.
Yes. So guys, naglalakad na kami. Papunta kami sa isang isang place na shoot ng Call Me By Your Name, yung La Provincia, yung parang bookstore na cafe. Ang ganda dito, guys. Actually, maganda naman talaga yung Italy. And then, iba na talaga yung stands. So guys, nandito kami sa city, sa city square, sa Crema.
Yeah.
And then, this place is amazing. Although, pareho lang naman talaga mga style ng Italy, di ba? Pero
maganda siya. Like, there is something special.
Hindi, walang basura. So, it means may basura pala sa kabila. And guys, welcome to Crema. And then, fun fact guys, ang Crema, Milan to Crema is only 1 hour and 30 minutes train ride. Guys, ito yung nasa-set ng pinuntahan ni Elio tsaka ni Oliver. And papunta na kami sa wall na muntik ka na maghalikan sila Elio tsaka si Kenneth. Papunta dun. Ito yung ginagamit nilang bike ni Elio tsaka ni Oliver. That's Oliver tsaka si Elio. So guys, pumunta kami sa information system, information desk para makuha yung mga tourist destination dito sa Crema. So binigyan kami nito, yung unang kapihan nila ni Elio tsaka ni Oliver. Nandito kami sa exact place na nagsasalang kape. And then pinuntan din namin yung door na muntikan na ni Oliver halikan si Elio. Wow! Summer in Northern Italy. So guys, nagpahinga muna kami guys while waiting sa mga nirent naming bus.
And then
later mag-bicycle.
Mag-bicycle kamanda kayo. Mga marathoners. Tatalunin namin kayo.
Yes. So see you later sa mga friends.
Serena Williams, sumanda ka. Charot.
Update guys, papunta na kami sa nirent naming bike. Which is medyo malalayo siya. Mag-walk kami ng mga 12 minutes.
12 minutes. But it's worth it.
Worth it naman. Kasi
deserve namin.
Kailangan namin mag-bike.
Kasi nga, turista
tayo for today's video. Hindi, kasi nga, diba? Minsan lang nga tayo mag-waldas ng mga billion.
Kasi anak siya ni Lucio Tan, anak ako ni Henry C.
Pero yung anak ni Villar.
Pero hindi nila alam. Oy, yung anak ni Villar kumakaway sa lupa.
Oo.
Shout out kay Maricon.
Hello po.
Kumakaway sa mga lupa.
Oo.
Pero kukunin na namin yung Lamborghini namin.
Yes.
Ferrari namin.
So guys, nandito na kami sa lake na pinagliguan ni Elio siya kasama yung Joel sa Call Me By Your Name, which is now guys hindi na pwede pagliguan kasi parang
there's like a lot of baby turtles.
Yeah, there's like a wildlife living here, and then pinaprotehan nila yung area.
Hi guys, so we're currently in the lake. I don't know what's the name, but there's a lot of wildlife resources here. There's like a lot of turtles, and we also saw like a big fish. I don't know what's called, but I think it's sprout or grouper, yeah, something maybe like that. But it's so big that it jumped out of the water and we saw it. And then we met a few locals here, and also someone is swimming, but it says on the sign that don't swim. Yeah, but we're following the rules because we are an advocate for, like, you know, good conduct and right dignity, right attitude. So good morals and right conduct. So we follow rules, we abide the rules, and we also have to be, you know, careful because we are in an area that we don't really know. Yeah. So
it's considered a wildlife.
As long as your heart is to serve and you have a strong mind
to show to people. No, actually guys, ito kasi bawal na talaga mapaligo kasi marami ng mga wildlife na naninirahan dito. Especially this, pakita ko. So, babalik na kami. Ang dami naming ginawang bike ngayon.
Hindi, ang dami ng journey namin. This is like once in a lifetime journey, and I will never forget this because this is so fun. I have never biked this long in my entire life. This is my first time. And you know, you can see like our sweat is like, you know, crazy right now. But
I'm like crazy right now.
But we are so happy and we are so excited about this trip.
We're very
we're very grateful.
Yeah, grateful.
And I hope they keep this area very you know, natural, and they will keep it safe because it's such a beautiful experience to see this in real life.
And then yeah, because actually we're looking for Elio and Oliver, yeah, and such, but Elio and Oliver is not in America.
Wala.
Decision. So, papunta na kami sa proper area, sa Central Square, sa Crema. So, see you right there. Bye!
Hi! So Sawadika.
Kapun ka.
So now we're heading back to Milan.
Yeah.
Our one-day tour in Crema is already done.
Yeah, because our ass is very sore.
Well,
our ass is very sore.
But we're very happy that we did this tour because it's so fun. You guys, you should try this one. But if you'll try this one, you make sure that your legs are
ready and very
and,
and wear comfortable shorts and shoes as well.
Yeah. And always bring your swimsuit with you because you'll never know if you run into a lake.
Yeah, there's a swimsuit competition.
And it was so much fun, and we'll see you again.
So rate the Crema for 10.
It was 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. For me also.
The one point that I didn't give is because we didn't prepare for this. So actually we just did everything last minute. But so far it was so fun. So I would say the
9.
fun was 9.
Okay, for me it's like 9 also because as John said, we're not prepared and we don't bring our swimsuit and evening gown for our competition. And the food, rate the food.
Oh, the food is like the best because we went to this.
Very cheap.
Guys. You guys.
The water is €1 in Milan,
€2.50.
2.5, €2.50. Oh my god. I cannot, you guys.
It's amazing. We'll see you again, guys.
So thank you so much for watching and hopefully see you next time.
See you next time on our travel vlog. Ciao.